The Cumprinc function by Rachel Hanson and Sam Lee. The Cumprinc function calculates the cumulative payment on the principal of a loan or investment between two specified periods. The syntax for the Cumprinc function is =Cumprinc, parentheses, rate, N per, PV, start period, end period, and type. The rate is the interest rate per period. The N per is the number of periods over which the loan or investment is to be paid. The PV is the present value of the loan or investment. The start period is the first period in the calculation. Payment periods are numbered beginning with 1. The end period is the last period in the calculation. And the type is the timing of the payment. Type equals 0. Timing equals payment made at the end of the period. Type 1 is timing equals payment made at the beginning of the period.
For our first example for the Cumprinc function, we will use the data listed in cells A1 through A4. Since we are assuming monthly interest payments, the rate will be A2 divided by A12. This is taking the annual interest rate and dividing it by 12 months. The number of periods will be A3 times A12 because the term of the loan is in years and you are making monthly payments. The present value is the present value that's listed in cell A4. The start period will be 13 and the end period will be 24. This is calculating the principal paid in the entire second year of the payments, as 13 is the first month of the second year. The type will be 0 because the payments are being made at the end of the period. This returns $934 and approximately 10 cents. It's negative because you are making payments. For a second example for the Cumprinc function, we are still assuming monthly payments, so the rate remains A2 divided by 12. The number of periods will again be A3 times 12 for the same reason as example 1. The present value is again the present value listed in cell A4. The start period will be 1 and the end period will also be 1. This is calculating the principal paid in the first month of payments. The type will be 0 because payments are being made at the end of the period. This returns -68 and approximately 28 cents. This is the principal paid of a single payment in the first month of payments made at the end of the month.